All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at right now. Just finished up the live stream, and thanks to everybody that stopped in. It was great. I thought it was awesome. Everybody, stopping by, stopping in, asking questions and stuff. Thanks a lot. If you didn't catch it this time, I'm thinking about doing it once a week. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, thanks for participating. I don't know what we're doing today. I think we got what? We got to go to... We found a new store. We're told about a new grocery store with better prices. So I think we're going to go up and check that out today. I haven't put out videos for the past day or two. Wasn't feeling well. Stomach was bothering me, so I kind of just stayed home and slept and rested up. But yeah, we're going to head up to a new store, check out prices, and I'll do some filming up there so you guys can check out the store. I've never been there, so this is new to me also, and new to Lut, so that's where we're heading today. Alright, so yeah, I wanted to show this real quick. As you can see, we had the fence installed. Those were on the live stream. I showed this. But those that didn't, or not into the live streams, I wanted to show. We had the gate fence installed yesterday. I wasn't here. Like I said, I wasn't feeling well. Lut was here. They did a good job. We have the gate open right here that we can open and close, hand our product out through, and then we have the gate that we can open and close. The only thing they did was when they made the gate, but when they came in, they measured everything. They measured everything perfect, how we had it set up. What they did was they built it backwards. You can see this glass display was sitting over here, and the rice display was over where the glass display was, so we had to flip it around. I was a little upset, but what can you do? They're not going to take it down. They're not going to rebuild it. Filipinos, I've learned, they'll make it happen no matter what. So all we did was flip things around, and everything is good to go. We still have people coming up. If you've been to the Philippines, you know that this is nothing uncommon to have a fence up like this at a store. It doesn't deter people from coming up here. The only thing that happened was my area of responsibility has now grown bigger. Candy, and candy is every 10 minutes. So now I'm the candy man, the snacks and chips man, and the water man. So anyways, it turned out great. Let me step outside and I'll show you what it looks like from the outside. Alright, so here's what it looks like from the outside. You can see we have a little door here that we can open and close. They built a little shelf right here so we can put product on the shelf and we can send it out through it. But you can clearly see into the store. I mean, I'm standing here and I'm looking directly into the store. You can see everything. Everything's still on display. You can still see the rice. You can still see Lut sitting there. You can see the shelves in the back. Everything hanging. You can see my ugly mug when I'm sitting there. So yeah, it didn't, this gate did not block the view of anything. And you know what? I feel better that it's up. And Lut feels better that it's up. But like I said, it turned out good. Aside from them building it backwards, it turned out good. You might ask, how do we kill the boredom here? Lut has been playing this for the past couple days. It's they give you some letters and you gotta come up with the words with the letters. Now we've been stuck on this she's been stuck on it since last night. But yeah, killing boredom here. We already got the obvious ones, but we're stuck. We gotta walk?
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta walk to get the trike. Board said we gotta walk to get the trike. So we're walking to get the trike. Check out this wiring mess right here. That is a wiring nightmare right there. crazy. All right, we are in the trike. It's been a while since I've been inside a trike. Look, what do you think?
What? Too tiny.
It's bored. No, this one actually has leg room in it. But yeah, this area, you're not going to pay Kano price here for trike rides. This is a 25 peso ride, right?
Yeah.
Well, it better be a 25 peso ride. Heading to the new grocery store we heard about. I've never been down in this area.
This is what Elda said.
Yeah. Well, I've been down to this street.
This here street.
Yeah. Speed bumps. At least there's not a bar jammed in my back.
I think this is Elda. Like you see, this is like Glacier.
Yeah.
You go left and then you go right, you can also do that. But that's just Elda. You see this? This is the store. We are here. Never been back here before. And it's quiet. Actually, pretty nice store. Pretty well stocked. Hello. Maybe someday, huh? It's like a little mini grocery store in here. It's nice. What do you think? Good prices? Yeah.
Better than Jumbo? Better than Jumbo. Huh. She actually has another basket full up at the counter, so good deals. Always looking for the good deals, that's for sure. So look, purchasing all this here. So the prices are decent here, so That's a good thing. Man, it's a sweat box in there. No fans. No, that's a sweat box. But yeah, the bill came to, you've seen it, $3,000 and some change roughly. That's roughly 246, about 70 US dollars for all that. And we'll stack the shelves definitely with all that food and all them items. We grabbed a couple different things because people like things different. Plus we grabbed things that people have been asking for. So now it's time to go back and stock the shelves. 13 years old. Look, kid's 13 years old and he's riding a trike already. Driving a trike.
Where's the key?
He has the key, don't he? I have a key. Hang on, hang on. Thank you. I have a key. But he has a key also. Oh. That was a little rough ride back. The inside the trike was full of the groceries, so I sat on the back of the trike. And a ton of speed bumps back in there where we were at. And my back was right in the middle of a metal bar coming down, so that was a little rough ride there, but we made it back. Man, that was a sweat box. That was hot in there. Like I said, there was no air flowing through there, no fans, no nothing. Sweat box. Time for some water. What do you think? Were they good prices? I don't know. Look knows. She said there was good prices. So, stocked up on things we don't have, stocked up on things we need to restock on. Cigarettes, they sell cigarettes in there. Is that a good price on cigarettes?
I don't know how much is a cigarette.
I don't know. Look at your slip towards the end. The question is, will you go back?
They're the same thing.
Same? Question is, will you go back? She says, she don't know if we'll go back. But I mean, they have the same stuff. They have different. Their prices are good. Yeah, she said their prices are good, so we'll probably go back there for certain things. Other things, same as up at Jumbo General. We'll just hit Jumbo General. But yeah, never been there before. Never actually been back in that area before. And I think I'm only one of probably 10 people, 10 foreigners, 10 connos that have actually gone back in that area.